Hey folks, welcome to the channel. It's Mitchy boy here. I am going to do a video today on how to solve the 2x2 cube. So pretty much there's moves that you can do. Like the moves you're going to need to know how to do are so right inverted is this way. I'll just show you that again. So right inverted is the right side, you turn it towards yourself. Then the left side, obviously, that's left, and left inverted is turning it towards yourself again. This is the top part. We call that a U for up, and we go clockwise or anti-clockwise, and then the D, or D for the bottom part underneath, downside I think is what it's called, D, and we'll go clockwise and then anti-clockwise, and then the back part, so the back part is anti-clockwise and clockwise, and then the front is this part here, same as the back. So the first step, we're going to try and do this in 3 steps. The first thing is we get the white side done. So we will try and get an L shape, then we'll move this one in here, and there's an algorithm for this, and that is right inverted, down anti-clockwise, right, and down clockwise, and just keep repeating that until the white is complete. Should only normally take a few turns. There we go. So the next thing to do is we want to get all these top parts lined up properly. So like you can see here, this is orange on both sides. This one here is blue and red, blue and green and red. We want them all the same, so green, green, blue, blue, etc. Orange is already done, so we're going to turn it that way. And so we turn the orange facing side that way. If you don't have any, still do this algorithm, and after you've done this algorithm there should be one side like that at least, and then you do the algorithm again with it facing that way. So this one is right inverted, down clockwise, right, left inverted, down anti-clockwise, left, right inverted, down, right. Now as you can see, they are all lined up on the top. Now we've got to solve the yellow side. The yellow side is the opposite to the white, and as you can see we don't have any yellows on the yellow side at the moment. So there's a few algorithms I'm using for the yellow side. It depends where the yellows are. This one here we got no yellows, so this side here we got no yellows on top, so the algorithm for this one is that's right, up, anti-clockwise, right inverted, up anti-clockwise, right, up anti-clockwise twice, and then right inverted, and then we do it again, right up clockwise, or anti-clockwise, sorry, right inverted, up anti-clockwise, right up anti-clockwise twice, and then right inverted, and it doesn't always work, so there's a new algorithm that we have to do for this one with 2 and then 1 there. The algorithm for that one is right up clockwise twice, right inverted, up clockwise once, right up clockwise once, and then right inverted. The white one should stand in order, how they're supposed to be. And then now we have a yellow here, yellow here, yellow there. So the algorithm for that one is right anti-clockwise up, right inverted, anti-clockwise up again, right anti-clockwise up twice, and then right inverted, and the yellow's fallen into place. So there's a couple of other algorithms for the yellow ones, and that is with 2 yellows here, and that would be right up anti-clockwise, right inverted, up anti-clockwise, right up anti-clockwise, and then right inverted. And another one is with a yellow there and a yellow there. That's how I'm doing it at the moment. And if you do like one algorithm and then the yellow's in a different place, then you do the algorithm for that one until you solve it. There's probably a better way to do it, but yeah. So now we're going to do the last part, and you want to see if there is any lined up and that you can line up. So if there's 2 on the bottom here, then you can move it around so that there's 2 there. Then you place this part facing away from you. If you don't have any that line up, you just do this algorithm anyway, and then when you get like a side that lines up, then you line it up, then you put it the opposite side facing away from you, and repeat this algorithm again. So this algorithm is right inverted, front clockwise, right inverted, back inverted twice, right front inverted, right back anti-clockwise twice, right twice, and back anti-clockwise twice again. And now you can see we just have to twist this into place, and we've done it. So yeah, cheers for watching. That's pretty much it. I'll put all the algorithms in the video for the yellow side. That's how I'm doing it at the moment. I'm sure there's probably a better way to do it. Either that, or I could go through and try and like make it so that I get all the algorithms that can possibly occur. I might do that actually, try and do it. So just try and get it back to where I had it. Okay, so yellow's already done, bugger. Sometimes, you know, just like you don't even have to go through all the steps either, like it'll just fall into place. Alright, so for this one here we've got 2 on the side where the yellow's supposed to be. So we will do algorithm for that one is that one. Okay, so right, up, anti-clockwise, right inverted, up anti-clockwise, right, up anti-clockwise twice, and then right inverted, and then we do that again, so right, up anti-clockwise, right inverted, up anti-clockwise, right, up anti-clockwise, up anti-clockwise, right inverted. We've still got the same problem, so we'll do that again. And now we've got one here, one there, one there. So the algorithm for that is right, up anti-clockwise, right inverted, up anti-clockwise, right, up anti-clockwise twice, and then right inverted. Didn't really want to solve it because I want to show all of the algorithms. Okay, so we've got 2 there. I think I've already done this one. 2 there and 1 on each side here. And like I said before, if like an algorithm doesn't work, then do it again if it's exactly the same, or if it's changed to like another place, like the yellow pieces are in another place, then you do the algorithm for that one that you're supposed to do. So this one here, I'm gonna go doom, 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 and repeat. For this one here with 2 there, then 2 on this side, we go right, up clockwise twice, right inverted, up clockwise once, right, up clockwise, right inverted, and then we go anti-clockwise up, we go right, we go anti-clockwise up, right inverted, anti-clockwise up, right, anti-clockwise up twice, and then right. For this one here with these 2 facing, 1 yellow here and 1 yellow here, we go right, up anti-clockwise, sorry no, so we go up, we go right, up clockwise twice, right, up clockwise, right, up clockwise, right inverted, and then we go up anti-clockwise twice, we go right, up anti-clockwise, right inverted, up anti-clockwise, right, up anti-clockwise twice, and then right inverted. Yeah, so that is pretty much it. That's pretty much all the algorithms I think that you need to know. So yeah, cheers for watching, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys later.